Everyone wants to be rich, but most people are doing it absolutely backwards. They chase side hustles, they pray for a lucky break, they spend years working hard and still stay broke. Because the truth is, being rich isn't about money. It's about how you think, how you move, and what you actually build over time. In today's video, I'll show you how real wealth is created, even if you're not making big money yet. Let's get into it. The word rich gets thrown around so loosely as if it's only about Lamborghinis and mansions. But real wealth, it's about freedom. It's about control over your time and the ability to say no, not just to bad jobs, but also to bad lifestyles. And the truth is, you don't become rich when you make a lot of money. You become rich by learning how money actually works and how the rich people think differently from everyone else. In this video, I'll be sharing the mindset, the habits, and the moves that make people rich by sharing 5 principles on how to be rich with you. Let's get into it. Now let's start with principle number 1, which is the rich buy assets, not liabilities. The poor people buy things that makes them look rich, while the rich people buy things that makes them richer. It's that simple. So if you are spending your money on phone, clothes, cars, and lifestyle, you are trading your future for a feeling. Rich people use their money to buy equity, cash flow, to also gain ownership and build systems. They delay dopamine for a freedom later. Now going into principle number 2, which is the rich on time, not just money. You know, most people trade time for money, but rich people trade money for time. They hire people for help, they automate systems, they outsource tasks because time is the one thing you can never get back. If you can buy back 5 hours a week to build your dream, that's an investment. Which takes us to principle number 3, which is the rich learn how to learn. Formal education makes you a living, while self-education makes you a fortune. Rich people read, they take courses, they pay for mentorship, they learn skills that compound over time. Your income will hardly exceed the level of your personal growth. So make learning a lifestyle. Now moving into principle number 4, which is the rich multiply. They don't just earn. You can't save your way to wealth. You have to multiply money. That means investing, building assets, and putting money to work. You know, saving is safe, but it's slow. Multiplying money is how the rich separate from the rest. And lastly, principle number 5, which is the rich think in decades. Poor people chase trends, while rich people build systems that pays them for life. They are not trying to win the week, they are trying to win the decade. That mindset changes everything. It makes you patient, disciplined, and strategic. If this video is changing how you think about money, then you will definitely love what's coming next on this channel. Now let's take a deep dive into what being rich actually means. Let's break this down even more. Being rich isn't just about numbers in a bank account. There are 3 levels of wealth, and the first one is money wealth. That's when you can buy whatever you want. And the second one is time wealth. That's when you can spend your day however you want. And the third one is mind wealth. That's when you are not stressed about money anymore. You need all 3, and to get there, you need leverage. Leverage means you make money without always being present. Through systems, not just efforts. Through assets, not just hours. That could be a YouTube channel, a course, a business, a content brand, or even a product. The point is, build something once and get paid forever. Now let me show you how to start even if you are broke. Number 1 is track your money so you know what's real and where your money is coming from. Number 2, cut all distractions, not only your expenses. Number 3, learn one high value skill and go deep into learning that skill. Number 4, start building something you own. And lastly, at number 5, think long term always. Even if you are only making small money now, you are planting seeds that your future self will thank you for. So when someone asks you, how do I become rich? You now know the truth. It's not luck, it's not hacks, it's not just hustle. It's mindset, discipline, leverage, and time. So start now, start small, but don't stay stuck. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.